Hi, I'm Drew Finn. We're going to talk about how to clean and maintain your refrigerator for expertvillage.com. Now we're going to clean the inside of the refrigerator, so that's where the real fun begins. So let's get our gloves on. Okay, cleaning agents, Clorox and water would be fine. A household good detergent cleaner that gets grease out would be very good. Whatever you do, don't ever mix chlorine and ammonia. It can cause a gas, which is poisonous. Okay, so what we do is spray over the general areas. I'm hitting any spot that is a little dirtier, like we've got some real grease spots, and then just generally over the surfaces. We'll let it sit a few minutes, then we just start. I just spread it out a little bit. I'm not trying to clean everything right now, and just make sure the surfaces are completely covered with the cleanser, and then we'll scrub it. Okay, I rinse off the sponge, and then we'll go for broke on this. This is where I do the real cleaning. It's soaked in for a few minutes after scrubbing it down, and now we're getting the grit and grime off. Okay, once I'm done with the sponge, as far as that goes, I take a paper towel and wipe off the residue. Now, one place you don't want to forget are the gaskets. The gasket is a rubber seal here. It's very important to get those clean. A lot of times you'll find the gaskets have mold on them. That's where a 10% Clorox solution would be very good about killing it. There's a black growth on it. So we'll wipe those off. Luckily this one doesn't have the black, but I want to make sure we get the whole thing cleaned off so we don't have it growing in next time I clean it.